The sweet smell of success. Price your soaps right. Congratulations! You've discovered the joy of soap making. The beautiful colors, the delightful scents. It's exhilarating, isn't it? As you embark on this creative journey, there's a crucial element that often gets overlooked. Pricing your soap fairly. Many beginners fall into the trap of undervaluing their work. It's tempting to price low, especially when starting. However, underselling yourself can be detrimental in the long run. It's time to shift your mindset. You deserve to be compensated for your hard work, creativity, and the love you pour into every bar. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of pricing your soaps right and building a sustainable soap-making business. Are you ready? Let's go! Beyond the bubbles, unveiling the true cost of your soap. Before you slap on a price tag, you need to understand the true cost of your soap. And no, we're not just talking about the cost of ingredients. It's about every single expense involved in bringing your beautiful bars to life. First up, ingredients. High-quality ingredients like rich shea butter, nourishing coconut oil, or exquisite essential oils come at a price. And if you're using premium ingredients like laurel berry oil for its amazing lather, your costs will rise. Don't underestimate the value of these ingredients. They're the heart and soul of your soap. Next, we have packaging and labeling. These are crucial for attracting customers and communicating your brand. Attractive labels, eco-friendly packaging, and informative inserts all add to the cost. Remember, presentation matters. Premium ingredients, premium price. Don't undersell your worth. Let's talk about overhead costs. These are the expenses that keep your soap-making operation running smoothly. Think about your equipment, the molds, the stick blender, the thermometer. Then there are utilities like electricity and water. And let's not forget about marketing. Promoting your soaps through craft fairs, online platforms, or even just business cards all require investment. Now let's address the elephant in the room, your labor. This is where many soap makers stumble. They forget to factor in the most important element, their time and skills. You're not just mixing ingredients, you're crafting a work of art. From formulating recipes to hand-cutting bars, your time is valuable. Don't undervalue your skills and the effort you put into your craft. The price of time. Your skills deserve fair compensation. Have you considered wastage and production losses? It's an inevitable part of the soap making process. Sometimes, batches don't turn out as planned. Soap can get damaged during unmolding or cutting. These losses need to be factored into your pricing. Remember, pricing your soap too low devalues your hard work and the entire handmade industry. It creates a race to the bottom, where everyone loses. Customers often associate higher prices with higher quality. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. The hidden costs. Factoring in the unseen expenses. These are the costs that can sneak up on you and affect your bottom line. Selling your soaps too cheap can have serious consequences, both financially and emotionally. First and foremost, it can lead to burnout. Constantly working without seeing a fair return can be incredibly draining. When you're not making a profit, it's easy to feel discouraged and lose your passion. This can make it hard to stay motivated. Soap making should be a joyful experience, not a financial burden. It's important to find a balance that keeps you happy and your business thriving. Secondly, underpricing can damage your business in the long run. It can prevent you from growing and reaching new heights. Without a healthy profit margin, you won't have the resources to invest in better ingredients, packaging, or marketing. This limits your potential. You'll be stuck in a cycle of barely breaking even, which can be frustrating and unsustainable. Thirdly, selling too cheap can create a false perception of value. Customers might think your soaps are of lower quality. Customers may assume that your soaps are of lower quality because of the low price point. This can be detrimental to your brand. This can hurt your brand image and make it harder to attract customers who appreciate the true value of handmade soap. Always remember, pricing is a reflection of your product's worth. The downward spiral. Why selling cheap hurts everyone. So how do you price your soaps for success? It's not just about covering costs. It's a combination of research, strategy, and a good dose of self-confidence. You need to believe in the value of your product. Start by researching your target market. Understand their needs and preferences. Who are you trying to reach with your soaps? Identify your ideal customer. What are their spending habits? How much are they willing to pay for quality? What are your competitors charging for similar products? This helps you position your pricing. Once you have a good understanding of your market, you can start setting your prices. Be strategic. Factor in all your costs: ingredients, packaging, labor, overhead, and wastage. Don't overlook any expense. Then, add a profit margin that allows you to sustain and grow your business. This is crucial for long-term success. Consider offering both retail and wholesale prices. This can diversify your revenue streams. Retail prices are for individual customers who buy in smaller quantities, while wholesale prices are for bulk orders from businesses like boutiques or gift shops. These orders can be substantial. Wholesale prices are typically lower than retail prices, but they can help you reach a wider audience and increase volume. This can lead to more consistent sales and business growth. Pricing for success. Strategies for sustainable soap making. As you navigate the world of soap pricing, be mindful of the advice you receive. It's crucial to filter through the noise and focus on what truly benefits your business. Not all advice is created equal. Some tips might be outdated or not applicable to your specific situation. Some people might encourage you to price low to compete with mass-produced soaps. This can be a risky strategy. Others might push you to charge exorbitant prices that alienate your target market. Striking a balance is key. The best approach is to educate yourself. Knowledge is power when it comes to pricing. There are countless resources available to help you understand pricing strategies, cost breakdowns, and sustainable business models. Take advantage of them. Read books, attend workshops, and connect with other soap makers online. Networking can provide invaluable insights. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in setting your prices. Confidence is crucial in business. Remember, you are the expert on your soaps and your business. Trust your expertise, trust your instincts, and don't be afraid to experiment. Innovation often leads to success. What works for one soap maker might not work for another. Personalization is key. Find what feels right for you and your unique offerings. Your individuality is your strength. Be a savvy soaper. Take control of your pricing journey. As you embark on your soap making adventure, remember this. You are an artist, a creator, and an entrepreneur. Your soaps are not just bars of cleansing agents. They are expressions of your creativity, passion, and skill. They are infused with the finest ingredients, crafted with love, and packaged with care. Never underestimate the value of your work. Your soaps deserve a fair price that reflects the time, effort, and love you pour into them. By pricing your soaps right, you're not just building a sustainable business, you're also supporting the entire handmade movement and inspiring others to follow their passions. Embrace your value. You are a soap artist, so go forth, dear soap maker, and price your soaps with confidence. The world needs your creativity, your passion, and your beautiful handcrafted soaps.